Ahosepe so world of entertainment the eche group the fata onino sumo jadibi esumo ewe fidi kesi eso me amedi dwumede ho hia me the sister Sandy a guy 2 times a guy me no penifo na kan asembi penifo na kan asembi na ebe no kra ebe na mbebu kra me refi be no ebe na mi bebu be no Merafi, no say I'm from Nana. Merafi bena mi bebu no. Let's dig in as way. Near Kai said the biggest show to ever hit television. The biggest. Which when you know what she been what be mad. The who be da. The biggest ever life and living it. Adom TV there's some more. Memory day numeri. Memory day be at 4 p.m. Who be sagrada. What who be da? Who be da meboa. I beg you one some. Host no so ye come at me boy. Such fun ye nye small show ni ebe ye no. They be mad in the history of television. Eno ni ye de ebremo. What you say? Eti mo afidi na na Adom TV me me de anwumre. 2 hours non-stop life and living it. He na apesa wukọ. Ni na prosla na man so hyemu a erase the traveler. Obecheche omiamia. Ebeje wonsam. In fact, ko BP bom emampanifuo bom mom bom mom na renkra no libade ya busi amo hoya ni memene de bia anu ehye we me kra me yem hyehye me because me hye adwuma mpanifuo aye ani production akoso ani niema aye twabrem a ya roye boot ya rockra ya ro ti en konsem no eso hwese wote ho na wo yese wo pa bibia di menka bi nhia no pa kwa mafu da ho flat na brai person obeso me ehye menso de minimerade itima me ho se ensem no Ghana for mon sorry o because Lil Winch one ex-wife Patricia etonyom esen Wendy Shay and sister Fia ko BP mumose bom man bose tinya o bose wo bi sasa nyom men or boy odofo enie Presbyterian him for Mundenya mi asida bo wi ase afengina mummom ne ento stanza 1 Mundenya mi asida wo wi ase amengina soma ne ba krono
Sister Sandy be a guy
Abusuya Oh Yehowa na mhwefo yame Lil Winch one ex-wife Pat aya de sen sister we tie Wendy Shay tie ko BP bo mame what was I there saying sister Fia ko BP tiem mame sister Fia tiem friend over to you Ghana for mon sorry ne mu ayeden enti no say ne koya na mom maya me no obo mu din sister Fia de bia me can say sister Fia you are sleeping on her. One of the baddest female vocalists we have in Ghana, sister Fia. Such disrespect. Say na matnas na mabodin. Total disrespect. So when the Shay sister Fia put in effort. Na na ma de natural bi ho. Ha me. Oh, yes and I say more downgrade your madjuma. Baba ya Patricia, benka sa wonya ade. Take your lover. But take it. Oyade ukunu na yeka say take it na o say wie no sa be kan bibi konkon say Carlos versus ragati konkon samba eti monko na monko tie de ode ma na ya to aso montie mra
We go take one lover. One so the woman ya. It's a our Sia or Doctor Sedani and a career. The hour there. Would you have been a what? Don't that way, as what I do. And we say move to see when you see Sister Fiona. It's no moon was second one grab already.
Sign Weezy Empire sign.
Mesam. Now some movie Sam. Send me put me music. A movie there and Mesam now. I know send me only just come now.
I didn't want you know. You can't be with me. Name is our house. Interview.
No say my
password.
You
yes for me can sort wow. I didn't come away to the over TV.
Hey, I got to go.
Abusia say na etie na anu asem abaya din sem meja ya Sandra ba bi onyina beba mu na anu asem say ya din say to ko ni ade ne fe e wo ko bi bomma no Mr. Mrs. Lewin say ya do so what bi na agenda mas agenda ta me ya so ya ade say Wendy Shay ya uchi mai oda onfro no onfro ngina hihye be pa say to because they say when you do call Grammy part money me yes sorry ade wachi what am to so abaya na party so ya ade say no Wendy Shay nyum is too late I surpass be 30 billion streams ewa TikTok Kobi ya kana wo bon se ba ya nsem bo kobi pi mani nsu amani nsu we ya ni gisem Shay Wendy Shay is too late surpasses 30 billion engagement on TikTok in just 90 days. There's a party audience we yala we ain't no say na akwaya you breaking it down track artists creations views favor creations just TikTokers content creators one more mafa sound na ye nyom no 30 billion it can't come I don't come in 30 billion 838 million 894,000 hey too late by Wendy Shay and no and a chegwe too late just say on say TikTok or me the sound be keka ho am a piano drill then ningi na ye Wendy Shay too late abusuya momi enka mom na yeho ase na oye na nado ye wo da amen hey 30 million hey OPD bekume abusia still is a million 30 na that's what I am pepai and all thanks to abaya your friend Tracy Shay oko program asede kosa oko ne comment asekra mpo there are people who comment to say I'm here because of Tracy Shay to baby girl Joe Flowers ye mboma abaya Tracy Shay kosa yi ne ka say enu waro ni na asa nya me ni na me go way of aso hire nipa enti we pede we a when the Shay so afa kwala na onene nam no why enti no ye to aso obi didi na ye obi nso ya hey obi de no hu di na aduane na wacha to ho na netizens buafu say obi kwa kan say ebe hia kwasiata because odi waduane mewa kwasiata na nse odidi ana eje wacha agere kwon high nya gobe hye aduane ode totototo ho say ha netizens sai wo na wo ba ye hu say ya na mudi buni pa abem na wo ba da ban ni ye hu wo de wan ne hu no wo hu no no ho so hu ni say enti kwasi ata sa aka no aka me nua bra kwasi ama wo ye on so twa na otwa nuane o me so kwa me ni di mun kotie bi mre wa
Oh wow. Wow. This be super on point. So I did taste this like this fruits inside of it. Very nice. I'm trying to figure out what it tastes like. Well, I think that's actually the strawberry in there.
Strawberry and pat or the four. A strawberry. Saying to the netizens were free. That was I did water man we over here. So I want more. And you know, obviously, we need the hungry version of Kwesiata. Only why they here come. Hey, na mo come do obi anamani age. So we many more kasa about nouns, pronouns, verbs. Ko school ye trɛ I, me. Ya use we no more. Na jai we no ye nyina ya jai we ya brewi. Hey. Kona ye here we. Obviously, Kwesi, I'm still drinking Gary Soakings. You betrayed Gary gang. Gary here adverts. That's work room. Pick up. Na hono. Se Kwesi ata ba for no so hono Gary no ko staging na ko hono Gary. Na em say yeah you know. Wapa Gary ho. Eco fruit. Obviously you or say your songs finish and because didn't in your massa. Oh wow, bibini. Obviously from rapper to food content creator. Hey, di da de menjo so da da da. Wow. Obviously you then Santa just for announced retirement make we just shown the hope and not choye. Obviously you people should leave Kwesi alone. Kwesi I'm be who so be didie. Na no so wo fa ho yawo. So kondo Gary odofo hunu binom. Koko na kondo a ko iho. Se goben so na wo pa egugu mu assault. Choose bi. Amunya brand. Nti ye mama me nua no kra bo afu a. Wa beyi ma no. Na say no de ma na emu. Muntie mra.
I will constantly show up as my whole self. Okay? I'll shine my lights as bright as God has gifted me to. And if you dey enter, I make you close some. Okay? So I'll be somebody who they love food since infancy. Like I've loved food. And coming back to Accra, I'm like, yo, like there's so much food places that are like high up and on the same level as all these restaurants and food joints I go to when I'm outside the country. So why not shed light on these places? Because growing up in Tema, I didn't think there was a lot of variety for me to choose from in terms of food. So maybe this can show the kids that, yo, Charlie, you know, be every day you go chop bangkung, you know, be every day you go chop white rice and stew. Like there's so many options you can choose from as well. So I've been dropping videos on TikTok. And the reception has been quite positive. But some of you have decided to be very evil and nasty about it in my comments. And I know they appreciate that. Okay?
Yes, we appreciate that. What do you call sweaty atom? Ate. True shade money. Say you need benku. Benga benku no wedi unya nku maybe a koto dem wa. Esi eni momoneka kra na Jones. That guys e bi ni na strawberry do. Aya amoso monto mobo. Obi edidie efa ho ben. Obi edidie di obedie di obenu anya wona wo to ka wo ha wona sen. But Kwesi also remember the people. And go for no support no guide and no guide say they should close their eyes. Oh, we may support my bro. Because I say mudu top one no your mama. Odo focus one Gary. Gary is bay. Ye nto aso. Enra me hono one social media executive Nelly Kumson sending me this story. And I say I didn't know there was somebody called Sister Sandy be a guy. Me cry shock me. Now no Richmond chemu fa ko winiba. Eko hu say sa obi ebie choba ni din the Sister Sandy be a guy. Momo ma chobera no ko hoye. Ni donya ni chembia me di fi. Ni chembia dia ni bia o me di meditate aye. E no de na enra me sorry say sister bi okumawood. Onye. Yes what the Sister Sandy be a guy. Ebusua enye nwanwa. Nwanwa enye nwanwa. Nwanwa. Come here ba me. Because define a celebrity. See, a celebrity is a well-known person who can work with great people. Kumawood actress defines. GH Page, good morning and shout outs to you. Omotwa also say Kumawood actress known as Sister Sandy be a guy. Jesus. Why na ma odi no mame? And yeah, for 2 times a guy in can way. Me yes me bisa me sister Emilia Brobi. Me yes me friend Bisano. Say na kuma wudi. E be o choice ni ache bia na me nimu. No disrespect. But I didn't know ohima. We are where say a gazette there. This is impersonation of character. And I am not tolerating it. Kwabi, ponyum ne mame.
I want to know to avoid do them one yashi na flat.
Me son kramani abaye wa ni bia wo say the original sister Sandy be a guy say me panicho Ghana hangina me pe na me social me you
Sister Sandy be a guy.
come team so be a man. Team so
Sister Sandy be a guy.
Last
Sister
one.
Sandy be a guy.
Another one.
Sister Sandy be a
me
guy.
mo social me you so the real Sandy, the original Sandy. Me pe and I'm used to Sister Sandy be a guy. That's a we are no one so Saturday no kayani e. Those are family no can oh. Abusia me do be pon. Me pakwa na me wo verification with the name Sister Sandy be a guy. Instagram, TikTok. Hey, me boss akasa wo. First also today me boss kan was me boss with shema me manya we say once I we friendly notice but me boss na time eche well be ko fi ampedu ne friend wo once so we enjoy di ne use so no personally be see you go di no pani phone na abre ho. I was very green when multimedia gave me a platform. I am a platform yeah nene me dia be worldwide and I'm in Andrew world. Baby girl, on a more serious note, please stop using my name. That's serious crime. Why? Hey! Me am mashing me. I was young so. Me am crashing me. Can Paluta and some way see me as a follow up? Na I'm sa buyer wo Germany ho. We na pedunko for me Alice Good. UK. Anya Alice Good. We I want water. Concert nisi wo UK and I want water for bring me my food mom kasa since you say no me one we sa where eyewitness news bulletin over
you be at the stage no if my children na me wo me eyewitness ntin be hwehwem near kwan e fa so a man didi obi atem so ati asem hu so obi e Canada program ne de e kama enipa ba ya nkasa just say if you have perform me first Kimpeluta eba ya what day party all of a sudden like we're giant no say obi bubu na ni chi like we're giant no say obi bubu na ni chi. So I was wondering why then I assume to say like who said obi ye day did you bubu we ni chi like nipa ni bubu ni chi me ko share ho me hu ma me be to be frank na Regina dear ampa me hwe Regina sama me nam de susu no na me bu so say Kimpeluta and you ma wo to wo hwe wie me so ni nya eye contact birth 3 or 4 wo hwe we no hwe did not me ko hu say ma me no ebu ani chi eno ya fanton chen surpasses that bu na ni chi a chesementi ase e dey ntina wo unim so wo mpo obi asem na wo to ni ticket e ba ni program on packing Peluta asema enka on to ticket £77 like one was this money no because onim so kra na wo ye big artist a wo ba program ntina o time wo beba it could be say e bia na ne bukura fu obi se wo hu e na tam onim benya eye contact na o bia ne bu na fu bi be na nye Peluta kra na or refer to And decided me see it to be frank, me so embarrassed. I was like, and the temper didn't trust in a man there. It's a hell no. It's a hell no. We are not in Ghana. You need Ghana, my patch up. You're United Kingdom, my patch up. United Kingdom for the Miss Roba and yes, it's all pa. Some passes that will be in each year. Just a man, yes, yeah. I didn't know who names own poor bears and now turn the ticket and the program.
Reporting live from UK, Sandy Best. Thank you so much. Over to Ghana. Watch him when Ghana. Yes, you're Ghana, and Yekasa or him. Yet Yekas or Ghani. But Kempaluta, per reporter, yes, a mighty journalist, Sandy, or the Sandy, journalist in UK, from Eyewitness News, see. And what show prove some pano Jumediana, and yes, or Kakeke. Was all ye insects with me whom so only Jina way. Into the okay, say, I am Padia, my brother, you goofed. Ubenyan call for a comment session, and I see some way nipa mojana mumuna, Ade, Obiso, Obisa petrol and amnimo. Obisa Ade, or nipa. And we are aware, but so will be mookie unquabrujidi. Now one told tickets, now in performance or performing. Now to me pause. It's me dinner tem wa cast service and in it ahidi. Oh. It's me I can send a week sasapo. Oh Debbie. Now where you know. What's an anum bisa outside the woody management. We need Timo Mudi which mom de oma or mama kasa or Mike ni mu eje or manje Mike. Na sa what big brand be. Eddie wechi. You find some Pedu and Co Limited. And our SK and Pedubi. Eddie Wechi almost sponsor. They will pull out right after the show. And this is why our Ghanaian artists, you know, you're a long way to go. A similar thing happened with Blacko, where we co-stage and our fans need total bottles, a bono. Or rage name more shout outs performing. Yen can't say you want to say Blacko. Blacko is different, you are also different. But every brand is aspirational. People want to look at you and learn. Not to look at you and learn your insults. Because I'm support. If you want to win bigger awards in the world, stop this. This is pure unprofessionalism, Kempaluta. That was a very rude attitude, bro. That was very rude. Obiachi has 77 pounds. So Sako Ghana City Ray. No way dinner them. And Chay, Eyewitness, a mama who dear course in Chay. It's not cool. Respect to Abrochefo. Respect to our mothers, respect to our aunties, and respect to people who work hard to. Mom say, Moko show Abrocha, Ghana phone support him, but Nigeria for Moko. But we represent Sanyama way, you'll be better than pounds, our no idea woman to slow. And 10 pounds, and she will show me how. No, what I say. No, what's never bas a Ghana for a bush or Abrocha, Mamma. Maybe how. Abrocha for more Hermanim. Abrocha for Monsorio, Munhuan Pedro. Maybe you can talk. What's it? And I was a library. Yeah, fancy. Well, mess with my gang. Mess with me, America. So, bring it on, bro. Bring it on. Yeah, the best see. Menda Hair Logistics GH. Say, or no in a mammy way go Instagram, TikTok at Hair Logistics GH, or Wakes Assault or delivery. Kohuno na on sort. So Eugenia Baby will make up department. I will treat my name. Big shout out to my cinematographer's Uncle Thomas. I see you in pink. Festus or letters to send to you, Kitty, I see you in black. Coffee, I say, or Pim Swanana, who green any Edin Crano. A fatal yepa. Kobe P, big up yourself. I am a sound engineer. Richmond, I am a director, OPD. I am a producer, Mr. Weber and Mr. Welbeck Kofian Pedo is by seeing and I say a I'm the guy's queen. 2 times a guy, guys, I mean, over my crown.